Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium subscription box for August 2020. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing we see is this card inside. It tells us the theme and also which variation number we got and the products inside, their retail value. So the variation I got is variation 52, right there. Okay. Let's begin. So, the first thing I see in here is this Fenty Beauty. What is this? Portable contour and concealer brush. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Let's see more about it. This product retails for $24. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's this brush, tiny brush. Okay. The next item is this primer. So this is the product that I chose for my box. You can choose one item every month. This is the Ole Henriksen primer, Banana Bright Face Primer, and this retails for $38. So it's one of the choice items in the box. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like. Comes with this pump. Okay. Okay. So let's move on to the next item. The next item in the box is this Milk Makeup. Let's see. Longwear Gel Eyeliner, and this product retails for $22. And let's see what color it is. It's in the color bonus. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's just this liner in there. Okay. So this has a smudger on top here. And then the liner is here. So it is, oops, it's melting on my, okay, boom. It's this brown color. Has shimmer in there as well. Okay. The next item in the box is this MAC lipstick, satin lipstick in the color Mocha. And this retails for $19. Let's see. This is what it looks like. Has this pretty nude mocha, light brown color. It's pretty. Okay, so the next item is this translucent powder, setting powder by Too Faced, Born This Way. And this product retails for $33. Let's take a look at this. They always have such cute packaging. This is what it looks like. It's a loose powder inside. Okay. Yeah. That is nice. Okay. And there is one last item in here, and it is this eyeshadow palette by London. So let's see. This retails for $32. Let me open this just 1 second. And it's the editor's palette. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. And when we open it, this is what it looks like. It has a lot of shimmers. I love shimmers. So this is really pretty. I like this green, yellow. Those are so pretty. Those colors are just so pretty. Wow. They're so shimmery. Let's see. They're so pretty. Wow. Just like all these shimmers. There's mattes in here too. Okay, oh my. And these are all just so pretty. It's a beautiful palette. Okay, well that's the last item in this box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!